Have you ever wondered how dirty your motorcycle clothes actually get? Well, I know I did, and I know I really wanted to find out, so let's jump in. Hi guys, my name's Safi Sprocket and welcome back to the channel. Now, I was cleaning my motorbike the other day. It's a very infrequent occurrence. It's not something that I like to do often, I'll admit, and you guys will know if you follow the channel frequently. And whilst I was cleaning my bike, two things went through my head. A, I am an awful human being. I can't believe my bike gets this bad. And B, I don't really remember the last time I cleaned my motorcycle gear. And I started to realize how much I have this gear lying around the house and like hooked up on in the hallway next to all of my other coats. And in the back of my head, I'm just like, if this is how bad my bike is, my suit must be grim. Now, I recently got a new motorcycle suit, which I will be doing a separate video on coming up shortly, which means that if I end up damaging this suit, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. So that's what we're gonna do. The next issue that I had was I don't really know how you're supposed to clean a motorcycle textile suit, and it certainly wasn't fitting in my washing machine, no matter how hard I tried to get it in there. The other thing that I thought about was maybe taking it to a laundrette shop and getting someone to do it for me. But I thought, where's the fun in that? There's no comedy in getting someone to do something for you. So I decided to give it a go. Now, I only have a carpet cleaner to hand. I only have a carpet cleaner to hand, which I thought would be hopefully useful. But obviously you can't put carpet shampoo in to clean a bike suit. So I did end up running to Halfords. And the only thing that they had in the motorcycle aisle was this strange brand. It says, keep out of reach of children. Oh, we're going wrong there. It smells like fairy liquid. Did I pay £6 for fairy liquid? No. Oh, am I an idiot? No, I'm sure it's not. It says nothing about the ingredients other than don't put it in your eyes. I actually don't think it's going to be that bad. I'm hoping. Oh, what have we got? Oh! Do you know what? I wondered where my spare bike key went. Well, now we know. More padding. Okay, inner suit is out. Right. I hope this works, so I can justify buying a carpet cleaner. And of course, so we can judge my efforts afterwards, we have a giant yellow orange bucket to clean a bike suit. Oh no, that's like the first spray and it's disgusting. Okay, let's crack on. Let's crack on. Okay, so far I'm actually, I don't even feel like I'm pulling out that much dirt at the moment. I don't know if it's just because the water is so frothy. Oh no, ignore that, let me show you guys. That is so disgusting, holy crap. And you know, I was just like, it doesn't even look that dirty. We're not even halfway through, oh my gosh, okay. Oh guys, this is grim. I actually didn't think it was that dirty, and it really is. Okay, so we have done the shampooing. Oh gosh. So now we have to rinse it to get all the, this is, oh, that is disgusting. How do I like, oh. Okay, oh, I've got it. Oh gosh. Okay guys, basically same thing again, except this time I'm going to use plain water, which is effectively going to be my rinse cycle on the bike clothes. I'm disgusting. Oh my God, guys, wash your bike clothes. Me especially, wash your bike clothes. I can't believe I've had this like hung up. Ugh. Oh, the tank is full. Oh my God, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ, how do I open this? So we have, that's our rinse. Not even part way through. So it's got glass. Okay. I present to you our gunkometer. Oh, I'll just pop that there, yeah? Ooh. Oh, that's hot. Okay, we'll just leave that to soak. Oh, okay. Right, where to put these to dry? Oh. Let's just. Rightio. Whew. God damn. Oh, it's hot. Okay, okay. It's really hard to undo this one. Ooh. Nice. So Sprocketeers, if you're wondering how much dirt you can pull from your motorcycle textile clothing after 7,000 miles on the road, the answer is this much. It smells disgusting. Ugh, I got it on my chin. So yeah, have a look at that. Oh, that is foul. Have you ever seen anything so disgusting in your life? Oh my God. It's not even like, it smells, I'm not gonna lie, it smells like human sweat mixed with soap. Like when you get a teenager who just like lynxes rather than showering. And there's like so many dead flies in this as well that I didn't expect to like pick up. So yeah, there we have it. Now if you guys want to see more great bike content, don't forget to hit subscribe. And in the meantime, I will see you guys next week. My name's Safi Sprocket, signing off. Woo. Oh my God, it's such a mess. It's a good job the washing machine is full so I can put all of these clothes straight in. This one was completely my fault.